Find angles X and Y below. Now, if you look at this triangle, we have this as 70 degree here. That is from this chord BD. This chord BD and this tangent ABF. A tangent is an external line that touches a circle. So this chord BD makes angle 70 degree with this tangent ABF. So when you see a chord like this that makes an angle with a tangent, now follow that chord to trace the angle that it makes in the circle. So you follow that chord to trace the triangle that it makes in the circle. So this is a triangle made by that chord. So triangle BDE. Now the angle that is opposite that chord, we are looking at the chord BD now, and we're looking at the triangle BDE. So the angle that this chord BD makes in this triangle BDE is exactly equal to this angle, this full angle here. So when you have a situation where a chord makes an angle with a tangent, then you should also know that that same chord makes the same angle inside the triangle that it forms in the circle. So the opposite angle to that chord will be equal to 70 degree, the same value that it makes with the tangent. So if this is 70 that it makes with the tangent, then in the triangle formed by the chord, it also makes that angle 70 degrees. So angle DEB is 70 degrees. And the reason is that angle in alternate segments are equal. So that is the theorem. Angles in alternate segments are equal. Then now, let's look at this triangle fully now. You see that this line ED is parallel to this line BF. So they are both parallel because you can see the arrow sign there. So they are both parallel lines. So you agree with me that this angle here will also be what? 70 degree. Let me write it here. Why? Because alternate angles are equal. So don't forget, alternate angles are like Z angles like this. So these elbow angles are equal. So if you look at this parallel line along with this parallel line, you see this elbow 70 will be equal to this elbow here to 70 degree, just as I've illustrated there. So they are alternate angles and they are equal. Then now coming to this triangle EDB or BDE, you agree with me that this 70 degree plus this 70 degree and then plus angle X all together give 180 degree, because sum of angle in a triangle add up to 180 degree. So don't forget, we are using triangle BDE. So this is 70 and this is also 70 and then this is X. So the sum of the three angles in the triangle add up to 180. So 140 plus X is equal to 180. So if I leave X on this side, I say X equals to 180. When this 140 comes to this side, it becomes minus 140. So that X will be equal to 180 minus 140 is 40 degree. So angle X is 40 degrees. So we are through with angle X now. Now let's move on to angle Y. Now look at these 2 points E and B. These 2 points here. I have a line moving from E to the circumference of this circle. I have a line moving from B to the circumference of this circle. Together, the two lines are forming this 70 degree that I have here. Hope you are seeing the two lines. This ED and this BD. Together, they form this angle here, 70 degree. In the same way, from the same 2 points E and B, I have another two set of lines coming to the circumference. That is EC, and then I also have BC. Together, the two of them form these angles. So when you have the same points and you have lines coming from those 2 points to go to the circumference of the circle to form angles, those 2 angles formed are angles in the same segment. And angles in the same segment are equal. So if this is 70, this angle will also be 70 degree. Hope you got that now. So angles in the same segment are equal. So 70, 70. So you now agree with me that finally, using this triangle now, I have this triangle. Looking at this full triangle, you agree with me that one of the line of the triangle is extended outward. See it here, this line CE. So it's going out now to form an exterior angle, and that is angle Y. So this triangle that we are looking at now, starting from this point where Y is, down to B and then to C. So using this triangle, you can see that Y is an exterior angle of the triangle because one of the line is extended outward to give angle Y as the exterior angle. So don't forget the theorem that says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the 2 opposite interior angles. Let me repeat the theorem again. That the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the 2 opposite interior angles. So you now agree with me that angle Y is equal to the sum of these 2 interior angles, which is 70 plus 10. That is 70 plus 10. And that will give us the value of angle Y as equal to 80 degrees. And that is the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.